Hello friends, in this video I'm gonna show you that how you can check your hard disk health, and in order to avoid any data loss condition, you need to check monthly or yearly your hard disk performance. For this there are some methods I will gonna share with you, and one method to check through your CMD. And how first you need to go task manager, from there write CMD, or you can press window, press R, and you need to write down this command. I have two hard disk in my computer, control V, and you can see they are okay. If the status is not okay, then you need to take backup of your hard disk and buy new one. And there are some software through which you can check your hard disk performance. For example, this is the cluster disk info, but I will show you that how you can install it. Next, launch. So you can see it's a blue one, good. If you see this yellow button, then it's very alarming thing for you, and you quickly take your backup and just take new one. Or if you see red one, that's mean this hard disk is no more usable and you need to change. See, I have two hard disks, it's WT, and it's also health status is good. Same with SSD. Okay, accept. Is it okay? You can see that it's showing that the health C drive it's like 9%, and SSD is not good, but WT is good. With my experience, I think this software is good because my SSD is like 7 to 8 years old, and WT this I bought couple of months ago, so that's why this program is showing that this hard disk is bad health and critical. What I suggest you always use your two hard disks, one hard disk for your Windows and other hard disk for your data. After doing this all experience, I suggest you that this software hard disk Sentinel is perfect and it's a good one. Thanks for watching my tutorial. Have a nice day.